Hello and welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a crumpled paper effect in Canva. So let's get started. So this is example of what we'll be creating in this tutorial. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is to get my dimension. I'll be using thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail. Click on it. Then go to upload so I can upload the images I want to use. Let's start with this one. Resize it. Then go to element, search for crumpled paper. Crumpled paper. Go to photos. You can use any of these, but let me see if I can. Let's use this one. Let me use this one. Place it here. Go to apps and search for blend image. Blend image. That's the app we'll be using for this. Click on it. Now it will ask you to select the image you want to use for the bottom and top layer. So this paper effect will be for my top layer. So I'm going to select it. I will click on use selected image because it's already selected. And I'll come to the bottom layer, select this one, and then click on use selected image. Now we have different blend modes. We have the normal, the darken, the multiply, color burn, lighten, screen. So these are different blend modes, but I'm going to use multiply. Multiply is the one I want. Now you can see the difference. Let me scroll up so you can see the difference. Now if I click on darken, this is what it looks like if it is darken. If I click on color burn, this is what it looks like. So different mode. This is lighten. This is screen. But let's keep it at multiply. That's what I want. So once I'm satisfied, I'll just click on add to design. Then we can delete this one. Delete. And then resize. So this is our crumpled paper effect. Let me try another one as well. Let's see. Let me go back to upload. We're using this image. Then go back to elements and see if we can try another type of paper. Let's use this one and see what it will give us. Go back to our blend mode, which is here already. And then I'm going to clear selection so that it will clear the previous selection. Now I'll select. Okay, let's see what will happen. Let's see the difference if I use this one, the image as the top layer and this one as the bottom layer. So I'm going to select this one as the top layer, the image below. Then use this one as the bottom layer. Now you see what we have. See the difference. Let me bring it into our design, add to design. Now we can use another effect and see if we get something better. Lighten. So this is it for lighten. This is it for lighten. Let me delete this. This is a very cool app. Very interesting app. So this is the difference when we use different mode of the blend. Let me resize this from this end and increase this. So you see the difference here. So play around with this app and see what you get. I can't wait to see how you try this out. And if you don't mind, also share on your Facebook, also any social media app, of course, any social media platform that you wish to share. Canva is lots of fun, and keep learning and stay connected on my channel for more interesting tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.